Hello, this is me Asan, your art mentor. In this video, I am going to tell you about form and modeling from shapes. How from shapes, those shapes we studied earlier, the circular, the conical shape, the cylindrical, the squarish shape. And now in this video, I am going to tell you about how these shapes help us to draw objects. From first shape, the circular shape, I am going to show you how it helps us to draw any shape, circular shape. For example, I am going to draw a ceramic water pot, and this shape, as we studied earlier, help us to draw this water pot. Firstly, as according to instructions, I am drawing it with lighter lines, and gradually I will draw it with darker lines, and then I will render it and apply shading through pencil tones and shades and shadows. So in this way, as you are watching, I am divided this circle into 4 different parts, and then there is a upper portion, the opening of water pot. This also I am going to draw with the help of oval shape, and these all shapes are helping us through our all journey of drawing. These shapes will help us. So in this way, I am drawing this with the help of circular and oval shapes. It is quite easy. These are the basic instructions and guidelines for drawing anything. Rather it is in circular shape, in squarish shape, conical, in any of shape, you need to understand its basic geometry, the morphology of any object. Then it will be easy for you to draw anything. Now gradually I am going to render it with the help of different shades of pencil, as you are watching how these help us throughout the journey of our art. This is the way you need to render any of your drawing. These are the guidelines for learning any drawing. First you need to understand its basic morphology, its basic structure. What is structure? Its geometry. Then it will be easy for you to draw anything. So now I am going to draw a conical shape of flask that we use in our chemistry laboratories. Its morphology and its basic structure is that conical shape. It is a conical flask. How these basic shapes are helping us to draw anything we want. The basic geometry was that triangular conical shape that is helping us to draw a flask. In this way, you need to understand the basic form of anything. It might be your computer mouse, your mobile, your water bottle, whatever you want to draw. your joystick, your remote control. For what purpose you want to learn drawing, you need to understand its basic form, its basic shape. Then it will be easy for you to draw anything. And now I am drawing a box with the help of squarish shape. You can draw anything, anything you want that is in a squarish shape. It might be your computer, CPU, desktop. It might be your suitcase. That shape is following a squarish form. So for just basic understanding, I am going to draw a box, a cardboard box in which we put our rough things, our packaging, anything you can draw. It is just for the sake of understanding how these shapes help us to draw anything. You just need to follow its form. What is the basic form? What is the basic shape of the object? Rather it is a jug or glass, it is a chair, table, anything. You just need to understand its form and shape, then it will be easy for you to draw it. In that same way, I am going to draw it firstly with lighter lines, then with darker lines, and then gradually I will apply tones, shades and shadows for rendering of this drawing. And now I am going to draw any cylindrical shape, any cylindrical object with the help of cylindrical shape. So I am going to draw a jar with the help of cylindrical shape. How we can achieve? By just simply understanding its form, its shape, then it will be easy for us to draw it. As firstly I am drawing its basic form and shape. Then gradually I will put details one by one to achieve. It's quite simple, everyone can do it. It just needs practice and observation. So in this way you can draw anything. You can achieve any of your conceptual art, drawing, art and design. So in same way I am, firstly I drew it with lighter lines, then darker, and will gradually apply rendering with the help of pencil to understand its shades and shadows. So in this way you can achieve any of your drawing.